Hi dears, today's class is gynecomastia. Gynecomastia definition. Swollen breast in males is called gynecomastia. This picture shows normal male breast and gynecomastia. Breast development in males can occur normally during three phases of life. The first occurs shortly after birth in both males and females. This is partly caused by the high levels of estradiol and progesterone produced by the mother during pregnancy, which stimulates breast tissue in the newborn. Another mechanism is due to the increased conversion of steroid hormone precursors to sex steroids and a neonatal surge of gonadotropins. It can persist for several weeks after birth and can cause mild breast discharge, which is called witch's milk. Puberty marks the second situation in which gynecomastia can occur physiologically. In fact, up to 60% of boys have clinically detectable gynecomastia by age 14. Although it is mostly bilateral, it is often asymmetrical and can occur unilaterally. Pubertal gynecomastia usually resolves within 3 years of onset. The third age range in which gynecomastia is frequently seen is during older age, that is, more than 60 years of age, although the exact mechanisms by which this can occur have not been fully elucidated. The evidence suggests that it may result from increased peripheral aromatase activity secondary to the increase in total body fat. The relatively elevated LH concentrations and the decrease in serum testosterone concentration are also seen in association with male aging. Pathology of gynecomastia. 1. Estrogen excess. Adrenal cortical neoplasms, lung carcinoma, hepatic carcinoma, etc. can cause estrogen excess. Second one, androgen deficiency. Due to aging, Klinefelter syndrome, Kallmann syndrome, unicoidal males, hereditary defects of androgen biosynthesis, ACTH deficiency, etc. can cause androgen deficiency. 3. Secondary testicular failure due to trauma, orchitis, cryptorchidism, irradiation to testis, hydrocele, varicocele, spermatocele, etc. can cause secondary testicular failure. O. Drugs. Drugs with estrogenic or estrogen related activity. Example, digitalis, metabolic steroids, etc. Drugs that inhibit the action or synthesis of testosterone. Example, diazepam. Drugs that enhance estrogen synthesis. All this can cause gynecomastia. In gynecomastia, particularly in idiopathic variety, the breast shows proliferation of fibrofatty stroma and the ducts without laminar growth. Clinical features of gynecomastia: abnormal enlargement of breast. Unilateral enlargement of breast is more common, mostly of idiopathic variety. It is a painless condition, but few patients complain of little pain. Palpation reveals feel of normal breast, which is usually non-tender and movable over the underlying muscles. Treatment of gynecomastia. Idiopathic gynecomastia is the most commonest variety. It may resolve by itself, so we have to wait till pubertal time. Surgical treatment. When no cause can be elicited and there is progressive gynecomastia, treatment of choice is surgery. It is done in the form of transareolar mastectomy. It is advised primarily in young adults. Simple mastectomy, excision of the breast mass. is indicated in patients with no sign of regression in the gynecomastia. Circumareolar incision should be made and the breast tissue is removed, keeping intact nipple and areola. It gives the best cosmetic effect. The excised mass should be sent for histopathological report. Thank you for listening. See you in the next class.